Welcome back to Crazy Biker, the channel where we explore the most iconic rides in automotive history. Today we take a journey back to the early 1900s, when a single car changed the world forever. We're talking about the legendary Ford Model T, the machine that didn't just put America on wheels, but revolutionized the entire auto industry. Buckle up as we dive into the story of the launch of the Ford Model T, its incredible journey, and the legacy it left behind, the world before the Model T. Before the launch of the Model T in 1908, cars were rare, expensive, and mostly a luxury for the rich. In the early 20th century, most people still relied on horses, carriages, or walking to get around. Roads were unpaved, and the idea of a car being a household item was almost laughable. Automobiles existed, yes, but they were custom-made and assembled by hand, which made them costly and inconsistent in quality. Very few people could afford them, and even fewer could drive them. Henry Ford's vision. Henry Ford wasn't the first person to build a car, but he was the first to understand how to build one for everyone. Ford's vision was simple yet powerful, a motor car for the great multitude. He wanted to design a vehicle that was affordable, durable, and easy to maintain, something that the average American worker could own and use daily. Ford believed that the car should not be an elite item, but a tool of freedom for the masses. That vision would lead to one of the most important product launches in history: the birth of the Model T, 1908. On October 1, 1908, the Ford Motor Company officially launched the Model T, also known as the Tin Lizzie. It was introduced to the public at a price of $850, which was already cheaper than many cars at the time. Built with a four-cylinder engine, the Model T could reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour and had a fuel efficiency of about 20 miles per gallon, a respectable number even by today's standards for some vehicles. More importantly, the Model T was rugged and simple. It had high ground clearance for rough roads, interchangeable parts for easy repairs, and a simple three-pedal layout that made it easier to drive than many of its competitors. Its frame was made of vanadium steel, which made it light but extremely strong. The assembly line revolution, while the Model T itself was revolutionary, what truly changed the game was how it was built. In 1913, Ford introduced the world's first moving assembly line for automobile production. This new method slashed production time dramatically. What once took over 12 hours to build a single car now took about 90 minutes. This innovation didn't just make the Model T cheaper to produce, it changed manufacturing forever. By 1914, Ford had reduced the car's price to $490, making it even more accessible. The assembly line also made work more repetitive but allowed Ford to pay higher wages. He introduced the famous $5.00 workday, doubling the average wage of the time, which both reduced worker turnover and allowed his own employees to afford the cars they were building. America on wheels. As the Model T gained popularity, its influence exploded. By 1918, half of all cars in America were Model Ts. It wasn't just a car. It became a symbol of freedom and independence. Rural families could travel longer distances for supplies, visit relatives, and even attend school and church events in towns that were once too far to reach. The Model T transformed the layout of cities and towns, encouraged the construction of better roads, and even gave birth to roadside attractions and drive-in culture. The United States started to become a nation of drivers. For the first time, people weren't confined to where they were born or where they worked. Mobility became a personal right, thanks to the Model T. Cultural impact and global reach. The Ford Model T wasn't just an American phenomenon. Ford built plants in Canada, England, Argentina, South Africa, and other countries to serve the growing global market. Over time, the Model T became a global symbol of modernization and industrial power. Its simple design made it adaptable. Farmers used it as a tractor. It was converted into delivery trucks, fire engines, ambulances, and even race cars. Mechanics and inventors loved the Model T because it was easy to modify and repair. It empowered creativity and entrepreneurship at every level of society. The end of an era, 1927, after nearly 2 decades of dominance, the last Model T rolled off the assembly line on May 26, 1927. In total, over 15 million units were produced, a record at the time and one that stood for nearly 45 years. By the end of its life cycle, the Model T was being sold for as low as $260.00 due to Ford's efficient production methods. But times were changing. By the mid-1920s, competitors had started offering more modern features, improved styling, and more comfort. People now wanted more than just function. Ford had to adapt, and the Model T was eventually replaced by the Model A, which offered those improvements. Still, the Model T's impact was already carved into history. Legacy and innovations. The Model T's true legacy isn't just in the millions of units sold, but in how it changed the very structure of society and industry. It introduced mass production to the world, setting the blueprint for everything from consumer electronics to fast food. It showed that affordability and quality could go hand in hand with smart engineering and manufacturing. The car also reshaped America's economy, creating jobs in steel, oil, rubber, glass, road construction, tourism, and countless other industries. The infrastructure that came to support the car economy, highways, gas stations, auto shops, all trace their roots back to the rise of the Model T. Even culturally, the Model T is still remembered fondly. It appears in museums, parades, and classic car shows. Enthusiasts continue to restore and drive them, keeping its spirit alive more than a century later. Crazy Biker final thoughts. The launch of the Ford Model T wasn't just the release of a new car. It was the beginning of a new era, one that would redefine how humans lived, worked, and moved. Henry Ford didn't just create a product. He created a mobility revolution. From the dusty roads of 1908 to the global highways of today, the impact of the Model T continues to echo. At Crazy Biker, we celebrate machines that changed the world, and the Model T sits right at the top. It was more than metal and rubber. It was the dream of progress, built with a wrench and a vision. Thanks for joining us on this ride through history. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our other deep dives into legendary machines and biker culture. This is Crazy Biker, signing off. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your wheels spinning.